In this class we are going to understand about static block. So what is static block means? Inside the class we can create one block. That block name is what? Static. So open the flower base and the close flower base, and this part of the class is called as static block. Okay, so a class can have a static block. What is the importance of static block? The static block code is executed only once when the class is loaded into the memory first time. In the previous class I have explained what do you mean by class loading. You can go through that particular thing. Okay, so I can say that static block is executed only once when the class is loaded into the memory first time. Okay, so any code that you want to execute only once in the lifespan of a program execution, such code you have to put in the static block. Okay, but the rules are: static block can access only static members, it cannot access non-static members, similar to static methods. Okay, so let us understand with the help of an example. Okay, see, this is a class A. Class A is there. Class A which contains what? Public static integer x1, x variable is present. Okay, then I wrote here one static block. The static block I am printing a message that static block executing. Okay, indicating that the static block is working. Okay, then the static variable x is stored with what? 100. Yes, as it is a static variable, you can access in the static block. Suppose if I remove this particular static, immediately you see that you'll get an error here. So this is an error. Okay, so a static block can access only static members, it cannot access non-static. That is what. Okay, now here I can say that a ob1 is equal to new of a class. So as we are creating the object first time, what happens? Class loads and static block will be what? Executed. So whenever the class is loaded first time in the program, okay, for any class, then the static block will be executed. So here the class will be loaded. As a result, the static block will be what? Executed, which is going to print a message static block executing and x is stored with what? 100. As a result, you got this particular message. Okay, then after that I am printing here. Now I am printing ob1.x. What's ob1.x is? X is stored with 100. Therefore, you will get what? ob.x 100. And as the variable is a public static variable, you can also access by using class name. Therefore, a.x is equal to a.x. That is also it is showing over here. Clear? Now, similar to this one, I am creating another object a ob2 is equal to new of a. So class does not load and static block does not execute. So already the class is loaded here. Therefore, here it will not load. As a result, the class will not load and the static block will not execute. So the static block is executed only here, but it does not execute from here. Okay, so once again let me run here. This is what. Okay, now class can also be loaded by using some other methods. Okay, that we will understand in the future coming classes, not now. Okay, fine, this is what happens with it.